Today's video. This is M55 to South Ferry. A fare is required to ride. This stop is West 44th Street and 6th Avenue. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 42nd Street. Transfers available to the 4, 5, 6, 7, B, D, F, M and S trains. Long Island Railroad, Metro North, M1, M1 Limited, M2, M2 Limited, M3, M4, M4 Limited, M5, M5 Limited, Q32, M42, BM1, BM2, BM3, BM4, BM5, BXM3, BXM4, BXM6, BXM7, BXM8, BXM9, BXM10, SIM1C, SIM3, SIM4C, SIM8, SIM10, SIM22, SIM25, SIM26, SIM31, SIM33C, X27, X28, X37 and X38. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 42nd Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 39th Street. Transfers available to SIM23 and SIM24. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 39th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 36th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 36th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 33rd Street. Transfers available to the B, D, F, M, N, Q, R and W trains. Path, M34 SBS, M34A SBS, BM5, QM1, QM2, QM4, QM5, QM6, QM15, QM16, QM17, QM18, QM24, QM63, QM64 and QM68. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 33rd Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 31st Street. Transfers available to M1, M2 and M3. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 31st Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 28th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 28th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 26th Street. Transfers available to BM1, BM2, BM3, BM4, BXM3, BXM4 and BXM11. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 26th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 23rd Street. Transfers available to the 6, R and W trains. M23 SBS, BXM6, BXM7, BXM8, BXM9, BXM10, QM63, QM64, QM68, SIM1C, SIM3, SIM3C, SIM4C, SIM10, SIM31, SIM33C, X27, X37 and X38. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 23rd Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 20th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 20th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 17th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 17th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 14th Street. Transfers available to the 4, 5, 6, L, N, Q, R and W trains. M14A SBS and M14D SBS. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 14th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 12th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 12th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 10th Street. Transfer available to M8. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 10th Street. Next stop, East 8th Street and 5th Avenue. Transfer available to M8. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is East 8th Street and 5th Avenue. Next stop, East 8th Street and University Place. This stop is East 8th Street and University Place. Next stop, East 8th Street and Mercer Street. Transfers available to the 6, R and W trains. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is East 8th Street and Mercer Street. Next stop, Broadway and Waverly Place. Transfers available to M1, M1 Limited, SIM1C, SIM3C, SIM4C, SIM7, SIM9, SIM33, SIM33C, X27 and X28. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Broadway and Waverly Place. Next stop, Broadway and West 3rd Street. This stop is Broadway and West 3rd Street. Next stop, Broadway and Bleecker Street. This stop is Broadway and Bleecker Street. Next stop, Broadway and West Houston Street. Transfers available to the 6, B, D, F and M trains. M21, SIM1, SIM7, SIM9 and SIM34. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Broadway and West Houston Street. Next stop, Broadway and Prince Street. Transfers available to the R&W trains. This stop is Broadway and Prince Street. Next stop, Broadway and Spring Street. This stop is Broadway and Spring Street. Next stop, Broadway and Grand Street. This stop is Broadway and Grand Street. Next stop, Broadway and Walker Street. Transfers available to the 6, J, N, Q and Z trains, BXM 18, X27 and X28. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Broadway and Walker Street. Next stop, Broadway and Franklin Street. This stop is Broadway and Franklin Street. Next stop, Broadway and Wayne Street. This stop is Broadway and Wayne Street. Next stop, Broadway and Chambers Street. Transfers available to M9, M22, SIM2 and SIM34. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Broadway and Chambers Street. Next stop, Broadway and Park Place. Transfers available to the 2 and 3 trains, SIM15, X27 and X28. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Broadway and Park Place. Next stop, Broadway and Barclay Street. Transfers available to M9 and M103. This stop is Broadway and Barclay Street. Next stop, Broadway and Cortlandt Street. Transfers available to the 2, 3, 4, 5, A, C, J and Z trains, SIM4 and SIM4C. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Broadway and Cortlandt Street. Next stop, Broadway and Thames Street. This stop is Broadway and Thames Street. Next stop, Broadway and Rector Street. Transfers available to the 1, R&W trains, QM7, QM8, QM11, QM25 and QM65. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Broadway and Rector Street. Next stop, Broadway and Morris Street. This stop is Broadway and Morris Street. Next stop, State Street and Bridge Street. Transfers available to the 4 and 5 trains, M20, BM1, BM2, BM3, BM4, QM65, SIM15 and SIM35. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is State Street and Bridge Street. Next stop, State Street and Whitehall Street. Transfers available to the 1, R&W trains, M15, M15 SBS and M20. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is State Street and Whitehall Street. This is M55 to South Ferry. A fare is required to ride.